Yeah, there won't be too many of these sunny days left. Everybody likes to keep pointing out that summer's almost over. Well, it's still hot out when I get out and ride the board. Just out cruising. I mean, another no plan Sunday. We're down here by the Titan Stadium. Just sort of cruising around the riverfront. It's a nice day out, so I didn't feel like going back to the same park. So I found a different space to come out and skate at. So, checking this one out. We'll take a couple laps around the park because we got nothing else going on today. Tomorrow's a holiday, so no work. I'm not really prepping for Monday. Here's what I really want to try. I want to get out one of these. I want to get out one of these bird scooters, but I need somebody to ride it with. If you want to ride bird scooters with me, call me. Man, it feels good out today. Ooh, check out these trains. Ever think about hopping the trains? Like old hobo style? Living on the rails? It's an option. Like, I don't know how safe it is now. I mean, I'm sure it's dangerous just hopping on and off of the train, but one day. Well, we won't put it on the list. It'll just be like a far off option later down the road, like if nothing else was happening. So we'll call this just Exploration Sunday. Wow, look at this. Seems pretty cool. It's like a whole park back here. Got a good view of the city too. So what's the other plan for today? No plan. We're really just gonna get outside, stay outside, try to be outside, and see what we can get into. I really want to find somebody to come ride those scooters with me. Anybody. Call me, text me, message me, like my video. It's a good time, man. came to the other side. We came to the other side of the river by the amphitheater. I'm gonna check it out for a second. How's it going, man?
Good.
Alright, so we couldn't make it all the way through there. Park was closed. Some sort of event going on. It's all good. We'll cruise back down the other way. It's much easier going down the hill than it is up the hill. Much easier. I'm sweating like a whore. It's gotten hot out here quick, and we got to go all the way back over across to the other side of the stadium. It's where we're parked at. Breaking the rules.